Welcome to another edition of Laptop Living Quick Tip Tuesdays, where every other Tuesday we explain quick marketing tips on topics for real estate niche, various small businesses, marketers, and agencies. And on today's edition of Quick Tip Tuesdays, our topic is 5 challenges real estate agents face and how to solve them. My name is Adonis Howard. I'm a social media marketing specialist and consultant for the real estate and small businesses. I specialize in Facebook ads and lead generation, and I'm also founder of Laptop Living. Ask your typical agent for a list of their biggest challenges, and you'll invariably hear many of the same answers repeated. Rather than repeat commonly recognized problems, we've decided to focus on the 5 most critical challenges facing real estate professionals today. The challenges listed affect solo agents and brokerages in one way or another. Some of them are unique to real estate, others are applicable to just about any industry. But the solutions offered are practical and can be implemented even by agents without a lot of experience. So without further ado, here are the top 5 challenges. The 5 challenges are: number 1, little to no inventory; 2, competition from online sites; 3, ever-changing technology, can't keep up; 4, lead generation getting expensive; and 5, cultivating your database. 1. Little to no inventory. Problem: finding listings in a saturated market has become a real challenge to find sellers, even for veteran agents. New sellers get overlooked due to experience. Solution: create and expand your sphere of influence. One way to do this is go in your community and interview a local business and post and promote on your page. Let the business you interview post it on their page as well. This will get a lot of engagement and trust built within the community, which means referrals. Challenge number 2, competition from online sites. Problem: online platforms are making it difficult to compete and be genuine when it comes to buyer or seller leads. Solution: create a community Facebook group or blogs. This is a great way to become the go-to influencer in your community. The more you grow, the more your database will grow for referrals and such, all organically. Challenge number 3, ever-changing technology, can't keep up. Problem: with new age technology and the latest marketing trends forever changing and prices always increasing, who has time and money for that? Solution: work with a marketing expert. Yes, it may seem a bit expensive, but find one who will take the stress off the marketing and tech side of your business. These experts can help you keep up with the latest marketing solutions and also help the lead acquisition side of your business while you focus on sales. Challenge number 4, lead generation getting expensive. Problem: digital marketing is becoming a saturated landfill, which results in marketing costs increasing. Solution: set your marketing goals on organic solutions as well as paid solutions. Potential leads use search engines daily. Build your visibility through SEO methods, and over time, you will see good returns. Example: a blog post online today about sellers can be seen years later. Challenge number 5, cultivating your database. Problem: attracting leads is one thing, converting and staying on top of mind is a whole new ballgame. Solution: use automated touches. When done right and strategically placed, you will stay on top of mind, and when they are ready to buy or sell, you will be the go-to person. Automation, timing, and the right messaging will save you a tremendous amount of time and effort with a good ROI. Well, that's it for our 5 challenges and solutions for real estate agents and agencies. I hope it was helpful for you. But just to let you know, I've helped dozens of real estate agents fill their database with leads organically and through paid advertising for their business. And I can help you as well. Feel free to reach out to us on our Laptop Living Facebook page. And on that note, don't forget to like and share this post and page. Hope you all have a great week. See you on the next edition of Laptop Living's Quick Tip Tuesdays.